It's no secret that logistics are a huge part of the job in med device. Reverse logistics being one of those components. Typically, when you get sent inventory, that inventory will at some point need to go somewhere else, whether it's to another rep in the field or back to the main warehouse, especially for loaned items. So, we have the transfer component where inventory can be moved back and forth. But what we have recently implemented is a way to do an automated round trip for inventory that is a part of a transfer. So basically what that means is when you send inventory to a rep in the field, we are now allowing that rep to use that transfer that you sent with the inventory associated to create a round trip transfer back to you, including any inventory that was a part of that transfer that isn't used or hasn't been deactivated in some way. So I'm logged in as a rep here, and you can see down at the bottom, and I'm on the transfer screen. And so if I just go into, I've got all of these accepted transfers. So the transfers, obviously, that came to me, and then I have accepted them. I've taken the inventory in, let's say done whatever, a couple of cases or something with the inventory that was sent to me. So I'm going to click on one of these transfers, and you'll notice, so this is an accepted transfer, which means that the inventory is in my custody. Here's the inventory that was a part of the transfer. Really, what this was a container and then one loose device. Obviously, in the devices list, though, you're seeing everything that is inside of that container as well. But you'll notice this new button here at the top that says Return Inventory. Now, I click on this button, it is going to automatically create a transfer with anything that was in that transfer, that original transfer, that hasn't been used or deactivated. So you'll see here, this is the container, and then this is that one loose device that was sent in that transfer. So, again, this happens just the same as any other transfer does. I've got the ability to add, ship to address and various other things. And then when I create that transfer as a rep, now I've got a brand new transfer that has been created. And you get sort of this, that there's a return transfer here. And if I go into the transfers page, you'll see that I now have this one pending transfer that was just sent by me. And it includes all of that same inventory that was sent in the original transfer. So this is a really easy way for you to enable your reps to very simply send inventory back to you without having to go through the transfer process of finding the inventory that they're sending and adding it. As long as it's inventory that was a part of the original transfer, especially when it comes to loaned inventory, that makes it really easy for them to get this work done quickly.